So if you saw the news that Judge Eileen Cannon down in Florida has permanently blocked the release of the Jack Smith report and went, that motherfucker got away again. Not yet. Judge Cannon, as you might not want to remember, was the judge who delayed the trial on the classified documents over and over with things that the court system had never really seen before. And she consistently got bumped by a group called the 11th Court of Appeals about some of her decisions, which were just massively pro Trump in trying to delay the case and stymie any kind of accountability. Well, the 11th Court of Appeals still has a decision in front of them. There's a group called American Oversight. And if you don't follow them, please go follow them. Please go support. Please go donate to them. They have been at the forefront of this classified documents case. And they have quickly filed motions, and this is even before today, quickly filed motions to get release of the document, the volume two, which gets into all of the material evidence involved around what Trump did, him and his two cohorts, if you will, the two cronies who were moving things around for him. And those motions are still in front of the Court of Appeals, the 11th Circuit. So it's not quite over yet. Like this will be the news of the day, and talking about how we're never going to get justice, and she's blocked it, permanently blocked it, and Trump would like it destroyed. Like he has tried to file motions to get it permanently destroyed, but the Board of Appeals is still there, and they still have not yet made their decision about that. And so it's going to be very interesting. And I don't think this is dead yet. And yeah, so maybe a sliver of hope there. I know that they like to bash you over the head with the horrible news and no accountability and no justice, you name it. And Cannon is just at the center of that stuff. She's an absolute crony for Trump and MAGA, and wanting to be attorney general, being on the short list, all those things. But it's not over yet. So the courts have stood up in the past on a lot of different fronts, especially National Guard, things like that. But and they may stand up again, and we may still see that volume two, and just get into the absolute depths of the kind of national security nightmare that Trump was and still is.